Sunrise and sunset are magical times in Costa Rica, and there are all these microclimates. So if you go on top of the mountain, on top of the mountains, it's always a little cool. Coming from Miami, I just expected Costa Rica to be hot everywhere like Miami is, but Miami is flat. And Costa Rica has mountains and waterfalls and beaches and a Caribbean Sea and a Pacific Sea, so there's so many different coasts. On top of the mountains, it's like a microclimate. It's a cool, chilly air that almost feels Nordic. As I'm going to be here, one of the things I'm most excited about is to be able to take yoga to a local school in coordination with the local yoga teacher, Beto. One of the things I love about yoga is that you don't need to be a billionaire to practice yoga. All you need is a space. You can do it on a carpet or on a floor. If you just practice, that spark of the spirit can come into your mind and you can just wake up to like a whole new reality.